What do millionaire legends like MrBeast, Elon Musk, and others wish they knew when they were 20? Spoiler alert, it's not just buy Bitcoin. Turns out their rise wasn't all fireworks and Ferraris. There were stumbles, awkward moments, ramen dinners, and late-night regrets. If you're in your 20s or even your 30s wondering what went wrong, pay close attention. We're breaking down 7 major regrets successful people had before they made it big. The kind of if only I knew lessons that can save you from future face palms. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're into smart, funny takes on money, mindset, and making it in this wild world, you're in the right place. 1. Not learning sales sooner. Sales isn't just a business thing, it's a life skill. Elon Musk had to sell people on buying electric cars in a world still obsessed with gas guzzlers. He also had to convince people that launching rockets wasn't just for governments with billion-dollar budgets. If you can't sell your idea, your dream, or even yourself in an interview, you're going to struggle. Whether it's convincing investors, clients, employers, or even your parents that your YouTube career is legit, it's all sales. Most successful people say they didn't learn this early enough. Don't wait. Learn how to pitch, persuade, and present with confidence. It's the difference between being overlooked and being unstoppable. 2. Waiting too long to start. MrBeast didn't wake up one day with 200 million subscribers. He started making videos at 13. They were awkward, the audio was bad, the content was worse. But he started anyway. That's the magic. Most people sit around waiting for the perfect idea, the perfect time, or perfect lighting. Guess what? That never comes. Millionaires often wish they'd started sooner and learned through the mess. Take action before you feel ready. Your first try will suck. Do it anyway. Your future success is built on the cringe stuff you post now. 3. Not understanding money early. Here's the truth. Schools will teach you how to solve a quadratic equation but won't explain how credit cards work, or why you should invest instead of impulse buying sneakers. Most millionaires regret not learning about money management when they were young. They didn't understand budgeting, saving, or compound interest until later, sometimes after expensive mistakes. Start small, track your spending, save consistently, and learn the basics of investing. Every dollar you save now is buying your freedom later. Financial literacy isn't optional if you want to win long term. 4. Ignoring their personal brand. Today, MrBeast is more than a YouTuber. He's a brand. Elon Musk's tweets literally move stock markets. That's personal branding in action. What you post online, how you present yourself, what you build, it all matters. Future employers, partners, and even fans are Googling you. What will they find? Millionaires often wish they had been more intentional about their online presence earlier. Don't wait until you're famous to build your brand. Start shaping your digital footprint today. Think of it like planting seeds for future opportunities. 5. Thinking they had to do it alone. Even Batman had Alfred. Behind every millionaire is a team, mentors, friends, collaborators, even accountants who keep them from accidentally buying a volcano. MrBeast has a full team working behind the scenes. Elon Musk leads companies filled with brilliant engineers and thinkers. No one builds an empire completely solo. Yet many young people feel they have to prove themselves by doing everything alone. That's exhausting and frankly unnecessary. Ask for help. Learn from others. Build a network of people who lift you up. 6. Chasing passion instead of profit too soon. You've probably heard follow your passion 1,000 times. Sounds great until you realize your passion doesn't pay rent. Millionaires often say they wish they had learned high-income skills first. Skills like coding, marketing, copywriting, or video editing that generate real money. Once they had stable income and breathing room, then they chased their passions full-time. It's not about giving up on your dreams. It's about funding them smartly. Learn skills that pay, build a cushion, and then go full creative genius mode. 7. Not taking more risks while they were young. When you're 20, you might feel broke or uncertain, but what you do have is freedom. No mortgage, no kids, no permanent responsibilities tying you down. That's your advantage. Many millionaires regret playing it too safe in their early years. They feared looking foolish, failing publicly, or disappointing people. But those are the exact years where you can take bold bets, try wild things, and fail fast without life falling apart. Want to start a weird YouTube channel? Launch a side hustle? Move to a new city? Do it. You'll never be this free again. Your future self will thank you, maybe from the deck of a yacht. Conclusion. The truth is, every millionaire you admire has a past full of missteps, regrets, and painfully awkward first tries. But that's exactly what got them where they are. The key difference? They kept going. Now you have their cheat codes. You don't need to wait a decade to realize what you should have done. You've got the blueprint now. Learn sales. Start messy. Understand money. Build your brand. Get help. Learn high-value skills. And take the dang leap. Because success isn't just about luck or genius, it's about momentum, consistency, and the guts to do the thing before it makes sense. If this hit home, make sure to subscribe. We're all about helping you avoid the regret trap and start building something great. And hey, we like laughing about it too. So don't just watch others succeed from the sidelines. Jump in, fail forward, and laugh your way to the top.